subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing and quick overview of this new wireless Bluetooth headsets from the company Boat. So this one is called as Rockerz 255 and this one I have purchased from Flipkart. So the box price which is printed over here is 2,990 rupees, but I have got it for around 2,300 including all the offers. And now let's quickly see what all features this Boat Rockerz is having. And I must say guys, Boat have really launched some cool headphones these days, and this is one of them. So if I have to give you the quick overview of this, so this one has got Bluetooth 4.1, then it has magnetic lock in it, it supports A2DP technology, it is sweat and water resistant. This is something good because if you are using it for gym or workout, this would be very helpful. It has got HD sound with super extra bass, and it can simultaneously connect to two devices. It has noise cancellation and some other features. The battery backup lasts around 6 hours, so this is what they claim. And this is the box. I'll just quickly open it up for you and let's see what all contents are there inside this. So this is the box right now, and it has got some basic documentation, some warranty card, we'll keep those aside, some extra earbuds. This is quite handy if we lose the one which are already provided over here. This is the charging cable. You can use this, or you can also use some other cable which you would be having. Basically micro USB you need to have. So these are the headphones, and as they were saying that it has magnetic lock, so this is the magnetic lock which we were talking about. And to give you a physical overview, so the headphone looks like this and it is quite sporty, and it has got few buttons over here. The volume up button, volume down button, and the center one is the power button. So apart from that, you have charging port over here. So this is very nicely designed, and as they claim that it is water and sweat proof, so this is something very good. And the noise cancellation part is very good. I mean, it will give you the true music. So in all, this is the headphone, and you can directly connect it to your mobile phones via Bluetooth. So I'll just set it up for you guys. So setting up this Boat Rockerz is quite easy. For this you just have to long press the center button, the power button. Once you press it, it turns on and the LED starts flashing over here. Then you just need to turn on the Bluetooth of your smartphone, and once you have turned on the Bluetooth, maybe you just need to go to the settings, open Bluetooth, and you can find the Bluetooth device and just click on it and it gets paired. So it's as simple as that. And the best thing is it supports the distance of 10 meters. So if you are working out at gym, you can place your cell phone at some distant place and then enjoy your music without the interference. So in all, this was the setup of the quick review of the Boat Rockerz 255. I hope you like this small video, and if someone from Boat is listening, I really like the Boat products and I would love to review all of them. So let's see how it turns out to be. I personally like this headphones very much, and if you like this video, please hit on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.